I'm so confused about what to do with my life. I actually don't know यार, मतलब it's been a long time since I'm figuring out like मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये करना है. But after sometimes I just left everything and start something new from fresh. After doing of one thing, I feel no, this is not for me, so I left that. I don't know why this kind of things keep happening in my life, and I have been confused all over the time. So the confusion is actually is not about my future goals, like I want to be successful and all that. No, the confusion is not about that. The real confusion is about what actually I want to do right now. This is the real confusion. And the real reason behind the confusion is like, so what happened in my life? Like, if I want to do something, this one thing, I stick with that for 15 days, for 30 days, for 45 days. But after a certain time, it feels no, uh, I should not do this. I should do something else. So the real question is ki how I would know that yes, this is thing for me, I should stick with that. So how would I know that yes, this is the thing, I should stick with that, and these things is not for me? So मुझे वो चीज़ें कैसे पता चलेंगी? My life has become like, define your life in one word, like I will say confusion. This much confusion I have been creating has been created by myself. I'm the reason why there is so much confusion. I give myself thousands of options on a little things, like मतलब बहुत छोटी से छोटी चीज़ पे I start giving ऑप्शंस. ये नहीं तो ये हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं तो ये कर लेंगे, ये करते हैं, ऐसा नहीं होगा तो ऐसा करते हैं. आई हैव बीन प्रैक्टिस ऑफ दैट. सो आई हैव बीन being confused in my life, and I lack in my life is the one word is called clarity. क्लैरिटी मुझे अभी भी नहीं है. आई डोंट नो कि कैसे मैं इसको फिगर आउट करूँगा, बट आई थिंक विद द हेल्प ऑफ यू आई विल फिगर आउट दैट, and I'll get to know what exactly I want from my life and what to do with this life. And yes, I think clarity is the one word that can kills my confusion. So with the help of you, I'm going to kill my confusion and figuring out my life, what to do with my life. Now you will watch another video or you will sit down your phone, but for me it will again start that what next. It has started comes in my dreams, like what you're doing, what you want to do, like I don't know what is called, but it always it's like in 24 hours in my mind that is screaming again and again that what you're doing, what if you are doing something and if you're not doing something, like it's always screaming in your head like yes, you have to do this, you have to do this, and what you're doing to do, what you're doing to. It's not like that I scroll and I don't do any kind of work. I do, but I don't know why it happens. I don't know man. So बहुत सारे लोगों के लाइफ में कन्फ्यूजन होती है. सो आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट टू कि मतलब मैं फिगर आउट करूँ अपनी कन्फ्यूजन को, बिकॉज इट्स द टाइम टू किल माई कन्फ्यूजन and turn it into clarity. So next I'm going to figure out that what actually I want, so that I can kill all the options and actually get the clarity in my life.